Hi friends, this video shows how to record video of the object. So in this video I am going to record one video of object which I focused. So in this video I will be using this testing slide. This is human blood cells. So I have placed this testing slide here, then adjust the focus. So now object is in focus. So let me try to record one video using mobile phone. Take mobile phone, then open camera, then go to video mode. So then I'm going to record. This is object, so I had to adjust focus a little bit. Let me start recording. See, this is object. So this way we can record video. So let me stop it, then play this recorded video. See, this is a recorded video. Let me play this. See, so this way we can record video of the object. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I also captured some images. Let me show that. See, okay, so please take it.